Dr. Stone, The Science of Survival.
What would you do if the entire world suddenly froze, and you woke up thousands of years later? No cities, no electricity, no technology, just forests, ruins, and silence. That's the mysterious beginning of Dr. Stone, where one brilliant mind sets out to rebuild civilization from scratch using nothing but science. At the center of this adventure is Senku Ishigami, a teenage genius with one unstoppable belief: science can solve anything. After humanity is mysteriously petrified for 3,700 years, Senku awakens in a wild new world determined to bring technology and civilization back to life. Of course, even a genius can't rebuild humanity alone. Senku is joined by loyal friends like Taiju, whose strength never wavers, and Yuzuriha, whose craftsmanship helps bring ideas to life. But not everyone agrees with Senku's vision, especially the powerful Tsukasa, who believes the new world should remain pure and primitive. Unlike typical heroes, Senku doesn't rely on magic or super strength. His real weapon is the scientific method. Observe the world, form a hypothesis, test it, and learn from the results. In this story, every discovery is earned through curiosity, patience, and relentless experimentation. One of the first breakthroughs comes from a strange chemical mixture called the miracle fluid. Created using nitric acid and alcohol, it triggers the depetrification process. In the real world, this mixture, called nitol, is used to etch steel in metallurgy. But science isn't only about dramatic discoveries. Survival begins with food. Farming millet, grinding grain, cooking, preserving meat with salt and smoke, each small step becomes a scientific solution to keeping the growing community alive. In a world without hospitals, one simple invention becomes revolutionary: soap. By combining minerals like calcium carbonate with fats or oils, Senku creates a powerful tool against infection. Sometimes, the smallest scientific breakthroughs save the most lives. When illness threatens the group, science once again steps in. Senku works to recreate early antibiotics known as sulfa drugs. These medicines stop bacteria from producing folic acid, halting their growth and transforming deadly infections into survivable illnesses. To rebuild civilization, stronger materials are essential. Iron sand collected from rivers is heated with charcoal in a furnace. At extreme temperatures, oxygen separates from iron oxide, leaving pure iron that can be forged into tools and weapons. Next comes energy. A simple water wheel converts the flow of a river into mechanical power. This movement spins coils within a magnetic field, generating electricity through a principle known as electromagnetic induction. With electricity comes one of humanity's most symbolic inventions: the light bulb. Using a filament made from treated bamboo, the team recreates the principle of incandescence, producing light through heat inside a vacuum. Glass may seem ordinary today, but in the stone world it's revolutionary. Made from sand, calcium, and soda ash, glassware allows safe chemical reactions. Even more importantly, lenses unlock telescopes for astronomy and microscopes for biology. Communication becomes the next frontier. By using a galena crystal, Senku builds a crystal radio. Electromagnetic waves carry information through the air, allowing messages to travel across vast distances. Of course, the series takes a few creative shortcuts. Processes that would normally take months sometimes happen in days, and rare materials appear just when they're needed. Yet the chemistry, physics, and engineering principles remain surprisingly accurate. What makes this story special isn't just adventure, it's inspiration. Dr. Stone shows that science isn't just something to memorize. It's a toolkit for solving problems, rebuilding worlds, and turning curiosity into progress. In the end, the lesson is simple but powerful. Civilization isn't built by luck, it's built by knowledge. Step by step, experiment by experiment, science becomes the bridge between chaos and the future. And the next discovery could be the answer to a curious question.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.